boys and girls, it's Miss Bianchi. I just took my virtual field trip to the construction site and I learned that to stay safe, construction workers need to wear hard hats. So I'm going to write my sentence. You need to wear a hard hat. So that's 7 words. Here is my board. You make sure you put that finger space in so your words don't scrunch together. Need to wear a hard hat. You need to wear a hard hat. So you is a sight word, Y-O-U. It's also the first word in our sentence, so Y needs to be uppercase. You need, E, that's a double E. D. You need. Then we have our sight word to, T-O. You need to wear, air. A. Hard, hard. Hat, at, at. So there's my sentence, and I can practice reading it in a whisper. You need to wear a hard hat. I can practice it in a loud voice. You need to wear a hard hat. And I can practice it in a regular voice. You need to wear a hard hat. So go ahead and write your own sentence about something you learned on the construction site field trip, or you could write along with me and send a picture to your teacher. Bye.